Hey guys, it's Brian back at you again here from Hostirian. Today's topic is going to be about, do I need to reply to negative reviews? I didn't want to do back-to-back days of reviews, but from the video yesterday, everyone was talking about how that's positive. How do we talk about negative ones? Okay, so I have something for you. Okay, so the answer is yes. You absolutely need to reply to negative reviews, and there's three main reasons. The first one is that if you have a negative review, you absolutely want to reply to it because everyone else is looking at that. Okay, most people read about 10 reviews, so they look for negative reviews. They want to see if you address problems that people had if they did not get what they thought they would get, right? Their expectation was not met. What did you do about it? So people are watching. You want to make sure you're doing it. And that's actually the least important one. These are not in any particular order. The next reason why you want to make sure you apply to a negative review is because if that person came to you in person and had a problem, you would absolutely address it, wouldn't you? Of course you would. So if it's online, you should do the exact same thing you would do if you were in person. All right. You never want two different people. Okay. So if you do it in person, you do it online. Period. Make sure they're both congruent. They match. And the third reason why you want to make sure that you reply to those reviews is because you don't want people to think that you're shady. You don't want people to think that you're just doing bad business, unless you are doing bad business, right? But I assume that you're not doing bad business and you want to help people. That's why you have a business in the first place. Therefore, you want to make sure that if someone did not get what they was expected, that you make them whole, you get them right again. Okay? All right. So, with that being said, now I want to talk to you about how do you reply to a negative review, okay? How do you do that? Ooh, sorry about that, guys. All right, so how do you reply to a negative review? So there's 4 steps. Step number 1, you want to make sure you absolutely apologize and be empathetic to that person. Let them know, I am so sorry that happened to you. We absolutely want you to have a good experience, and we apologize you did not have a good experience with our business or our company or the product or whatever the case may be. That's rule number 1. People want to be heard. And unless they feel like they've been gotten, which means that you heard them and they got that you heard them, nothing really happens. So first thing first, admit it. Come to it telling yourself, I'm sorry, okay? Step number 2, this is the moment for you to insert what you guys do well, okay? Now, don't take this as being cocky. Don't be weird with it. It's really easy. This is one of those type things where you say, normally we do this very well. Just like that. So you're edifying yourself because if it's something that you do well, you want to let people know that. Because no one's perfect. Mistakes happen, right? Right? You can still get a 92% and you got an A, but you missed something. Okay? So let people know that normally I do this well. Okay, but I'm sorry we missed the mark with you. All right. So step number 3, you want to make sure that you move the conversation offline. Okay. I say that because you don't want to debate with someone online about what happened. Not the place to do it. It's not the way to handle it. Regardless if you didn't do it on purpose or whatever the case may be, you don't want to fight. You just want to address the problem. Okay. So you want to let them know that, okay, here's my contact information. Give me a call, and we will address this. Or here's my email. Email me, and we'll get on top of this, and we'll get you taken care of. Okay. So step number 4. All right. So with 4, it is that you want to keep it short and simple. You do not want to argue. Okay. So get right to the point. We're sorry that this happened to you. Normally, people have a great experience with this part right here. My name is Brian. Here's my email. Give me a call if you would like to discuss this any further. Done. Okay? Don't pick them apart. Don't make them out to be the problem. Don't say there's something that they did. No one likes that. No one likes that. I mean, I've worked with a couple companies that blamed me for what I called them to complain about. That didn't make me feel good. It didn't. And it won't make your customers feel good. So don't do that to them. So keep it short and sweet and get right over to the point and take the conversation offline while you're apologizing and giving them contact information so you can make them whole again. Okay, so give you just to give you an example. All right, it would sound something like, "I'm sorry that happened to you. Normally we do this very well, but again, I apologize for missing the mark. My name is Brian. Here's my contact information. If you would like to discuss it any further, I would love to take care of this opportunity here for you, or I would love to take care of this problem for you and make it right." Done. Now, when someone reads that, that's going to be powerful because that means you addressed it, you took responsibility and accountability and handled it, okay? And because I like you guys, I have a bonus tip here for you. Do not mention your business name, okay? So remember yesterday when we talked about having your business name in there, you want that to pop up for SEO purposes. If it's a negative review, you don't want that to pop up for anything, okay? But at the same time, you still want to address it. So make sure you follow steps 1 through 4, okay? So with that being said, I have another gift here for you guys. I'm gonna put the link here in the calendar. All you have to do is click the link and I'll give you a 30-day trial to how you can manage your online reviews. No matter where they have the review at, you can still comment and reply back to them because you don't want to leave them hanging. But you also want to make sure you address some of these really important issues. Because at the end of the day, guys, people are reading. They're reading, they're researching, and you're gonna get told on. So you might as well just put your best foot forward every time, period, okay? Click the link, jump on my calendar, I'll give you your tool, and start taking care of your customers. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. I'm here for you, okay? Until next time.